Hello children, welcome back to my channel Learn with Supriya. Today I shall teach you about little super important words in English grammar. The articles like a, an and the might be small but they play a huge role in how we talk and write. These small words add a special touch to our sentences. So let's take a friendly stroll through the world of articles in English grammar. Now let's understand what is article. An article is a word that comes before a noun to show whether it is specific or general. Let's see how do articles help us in giving more information about a noun. Now article can be either definite or indefinite article. A and an are indefinite article and used for non-specific nouns and also refer to one item. The is definite article. We use the before singular and plural countable and uncountable nouns when the nouns are particular or specific. Using articles can sometimes be a bit tricky, but it is important to understand where and how to use indefinite and definite articles. Here are some guidelines for using a and an. There are 26 letters in English alphabet. There are 5 vowels a, e, I, o, u. There are 21 consonants. A is used before a word that begins with a consonant and the word with a consonant sound. An is used before a word that begins with a vowel and words produces vowel sound. A and an is used to modify non-specific or non-particular nouns. The is used to refer to specific or particular noun. Children, we use article an before the words that begin with vowel or vowel sound. The words like these are preceded by article an alligator, an octopus, an elephant, an urn, an engine, an ostrich, an eagle. Here the first letter of the words begins with a vowel, so an is used. Let's see some more example. An ambulance, an owl, an umbrella, an igloo. What is common among these words? All these words begin with a vowel and are preceded by an. The vowels in English language are a, e, I, o, u. So the article an comes before the words beginning with a, e, I, o, u and it tells us that something is one or singular and not specific. And same for article a. Here a is the article which we use before the noun beginning with consonant or consonant sound. Here all these words begin with a consonant and are preceded by article a. Now look at this picture. Here a balloon, a cat, a fox, a pineapple, a toy, a monkey. Here a refers to any balloon, any cat, any fox, any pineapple, any toy, any monkey. Here I am not talking about any specific balloon, cat or fox. The letters which are not vowels are called consonant. It signifies that something is one. A comes before any word beginning with consonant like a tree, a goat, a house, a mouse, a boy, a carriage. Children, article a and an tell us two things. Indefinite article signifies that something is one or singular and do not tell anything specific. Children, as mentioned, the rules for using a and an, this can be tricky because some words that start with consonant but do not start with consonant sound. The same is true of some words that start with vowel and is used when the words begin with a vowel sound regardless of whether the first letter is a vowel or consonant. So look at this sentence. The train left an hour ago. An honest woodcutter, an Xmas tree. She is an LLB student. He is an MA in English. The first letter of hour is H. Here the sound of H is silent. H sounded like O, which is a vowel, so the article an is used. Despite its spelling, the word hour begins with a vowel sound, therefore we use an. Similarly, an honest woodcutter, an Xmas tree, he is an LLB student, he is an MA in English. The abbreviation MA, LLB start with a vowel sound like M, ELL. So we use an rather than using a. The first letter of all these words are H, X, L, M and sounded like vowel A. So the article an is used. Children, remember, despite spelling, if some words begin with a vowel sound, we use an, not a. Similarly, when the first letter of a word is a vowel but is pronounced with a consonant sound, as in the example given here, a 1 rupee note, a uniform, a university, a unicorn, a European, a union, a useful animal. All these words begin with vowels O, U, E, O, U, E and are sounded wa, u, and those sounds are considered consonant sound. So article A is used before them. Children, we will not look at the letter at the beginning of the word, but we will see how it sounds. Children, today we learned the concept about indefinite article and how we use them in sentences. Keep in mind the rules of articles and solve the exercise given here. Thank you children for watching this video. I shall be back with another new video. Till then, bye.